Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to sign up into Fortnite. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice. If you're on a PC, then you can simply download the Epic Games launcher and then log into the Epic Games portal. But as we are on a mobile phone, we're going to be typing in Epic Games account sign in and then hit Go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link and you must hit create an account. So basically, tap on Fortnite, tap on yes, tap on no as this is the first time that you're logging in, and then enter your date of birth, hit continue, and then tap on continue with Google or continue with email. For now, we're going to be tapping on continue with Google. Select your account or tap on use another account to add another account to your device. Hit continue. And now you must follow the on-screen instructions and create your account. After you have created your account, you must download the Fortnite launcher, and then you can log into your account with your Epic Games account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.